Hello crypto stakers. So today we have something special here. My best friend and I wanted to build something fast, something different. We wanted to look into the future. So I present you fully PCI Express 4.0 build. What components we have here and why? Let's start with motherboard. MSI B550 Tomahawk. Excellent motherboard with low temperatures and great quality. Support for CrossFire, for Ryzen 3900 and 128 gigabytes of memory. Okay, next one is CPU. Ryzen 3700X. As you know, third generation that support PCI 4.0, 8 cores, 16 threads and base clock at 3.6, L3 cache 32 megabytes. Real beast we have here. Now memory only 16 gigabytes, Viper Patriot. As of GPU, currently is GTX 1660, but we have also RX 5700. Sadly, there is no use of PCI 4.0 on GPUs at the moment, so we will swap cards later. And for the end, where we experienced huge increase in performance is storage. Generation 4 SSD with read speed of 5000, amazing 5000. Now, what we could done better for a few percent higher performance but for hefty price? Memory speed increase and size, we could put 32 gigabytes maybe. CPU, we can upgrade to Ryzen 3900X. As of GPU, currently nothing. Storage, also nothing. We already have high-end build, and upgrading beyond will cost very much for what exactly? Few percent in performance, but maybe few $1,000s. That's it for today. Stay tuned for new videos where I will test each component of this build. To support my channel, please subscribe and share.